Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Jasper Mastercard. This Mastercard will allow you to get approved for a credit card without having to have perfect credit. You don't have to have good credit at all whatsoever, and they offer up to $5,000 in a credit limit. So if you're interested in seeing more videos like this on personal credit, business credit, and ways to make money online, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon and receive notifications on when I drop new videos, because I do drop videos frequently throughout the week. And also, if you have any questions, make sure that you do leave a comment down below. I will respond to your comment. And if you find this video valuable, make sure that you like this video as well. So this particular MasterCard is a premium MasterCard that is designed for professionals. So the way that you can get approved for this particular MasterCard is that you have a steady career and a steady income coming in, and they want to see that through your bank account. So when you apply, they are going to ask you to connect your bank account, and they're going to look at your financial history through your bank account, and they're going to be able to tell you how much they're going to give you based off of your banking activity. And they say that your credit is not a factor. You do not have to have, well, it is a factor, but you don't have to have good credit in order to get a card with them. So this is the new way that a lot of new companies, new credit companies or financial institutions are doing credit cards these days. They're actually looking more at your income and your income to debt ratio instead of just looking at your credit score to pretty much judge your ability to pay the credit card back or pay the loan or debt back. So you will receive some perks with this card. They do offer 1% cash back on every purchase, and the credit limits go up to $5,000. And also, you do not need a credit history to apply. Again, if you have a credit score, they are going to look at it. If you don't, it's not a problem. But the main factor is the consistent income and banking activity coming in to your bank account. Also, one thing to keep in mind is when you are applying for this particular credit card, they are going to ask you about your employer. They're going to see if you can provide an email for your employer. They just want to verify that you are actually working, that you actually have a legit source of income. So that's one of the other factors that they look at to approve you for a credit limit. So you will have to provide a email for them, and they're going to verify that email as well. Also, another thing is that you'll be able to actually set up your payments on auto pay. You'll also be able to get push notifications and utilization alerts to help you actually manage your account and help you be disciplined to be able to pay back your debts on time and help you build your credit. So you'll be able to schedule that online through your account. So that's a really nice feature to help you pay your bills on time, pay your credit card on time, so that you can maintain your score and actually increase your score and build good credit history. So I really like this particular credit card. I like their features. I like how more and more companies are coming out with this business model to be able to provide credit to people based off of their income, more of their income and their ability to pay back by looking at their bank account and looking at how much they're making rather than just looking at the credit score, because sometimes your credit score will not tell the ability to pay back for your current state. Some people with good credit don't have a lot of cash flow at the current moment, and sometimes they're not even able to pay back their debts. And I'm talking about in the current situation. So they might have good credit from the past, but they currently may not have enough money to actually pay back their debts, or they may have lost their job or something like that. So being able to give people credit based off of their income is a good business model. I'm glad a lot of new startup companies are starting to use this business model. They also will help you track your expenses. I believe they have an application that will help you with everything. You can track your expenses. You can block your card. You can look at your spending. You can report a card lost or stolen. So they have some more unique features with their application. And they've also been featured on NerdWallet, Yahoo, Bank Innovation, cardrates.com, Money Under 30, and more. So just a quick overview of why they are different. Basically, again, they use technology to understand where you are in your life instead of looking just at where you've been. So like I was saying about the credit score, if most banks just look at your credit score, and sometimes that could be from the past. It does not necessarily tell about your current situation of your ability to pay back debt. So that's why you can qualify for a premium Jasper card, even if you're just starting your credit journey in the US. So you have to be a US citizen. So they believe that a strong financial base free of debt is critical for a happy life. That's why they built the business model that is not based on getting you into more debt. If you are never in credit card debt, then we've done our job, is what they say. So again, the US credit system can be hard to navigate, leading many of us into making expensive mistakes, and that's not good. So more than just a credit card, that's what Jasper is. It is a credit building partner, and their goal is to make your credit history strong so that you could focus on building your future. If you're interested in this card, I would definitely go ahead and sign up for this particular card. You can click on Get Started here at the top, and it's going to take you to the application, and you'll fill out all of your information here, and you're going to submit, verify your email. You're going to tell them how much money you make per year. You're going to connect your bank account, and you're also going to provide your employer information along with their email, and that email has to be verified as well. And then they're going to let you know how much you can get approved for, and you'll receive your card in the mail. So it's that simple. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos. And also make sure you comment down below if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video.